Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This is a behind the scenes video, and as you can see, I just finished recording my last video, the making your own webpage video, and now I'm gonna edit it. The one that I use is Microsoft Clipchamp, even though it has its fair share of bad reviews, but still, it's very easy to use and good actually. Even though I do have Adobe Premiere Pro, but it's kind of a bit confusing to use, so I just keep using Clipchamp until I learn how to use it. So then, it's loading, then create a new video. Now all I have to do is add the files that I want. So now, wait. First I just add whichever of these I need. So one of these three. And then I'm going to add the actual video. Now, all I have to do is add this stuff in here. Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. So then, today we'll be making this webpage that we started making in the last video and make it look nicer by using CSS. And then, as I'm saying the word CSS, I add in the logo here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Right there. CSS. There. I'm gonna need it just this. That is still a little bit too big. I don't want it to cover the whole screen. Then I'm gonna add some effects. What could I add? This blur, fill, green screen, black and white removal, chromatic aberration, slow zoom, to some random, vaporwave, VHS, the glitch effect. I think I'm just gonna do both the radio, and then on top of it, I'm gonna make it smoke. So then when I play it should be like this. CSS. If you don't know what now on this one it's too small. And I actually want it to be big. CSS. Wait. Oh wait. Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want for it to be radial as well. I just want it to be the smoke and the radial separate. So the radial doesn't look like smoke. And it looks like this smoke is just in the background. Because if I add both of them, like the smoke thing, it doesn't look that CSS. Good. If you don't know what they, or maybe it does actually. There's like a lot of filters here, like the retro graphics. CSS. It doesn't look good though. Wait, what? Wait, I can. CSS. If you don't know what they. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the smoke on this one. CSS. If you don't know what they. looks. What did I just do though? What is this? It's so trippy. It's like mosaic. Like it's the radial. Wait, it's the vertical ones going around like a radial. What? CSS. If you don't know what that looks they like, are, that looks trippy CSS. But good. If you don't know what they CSS. If you don't know but I'm just gonna leave it with the radial. It looks too trippy. CSS. If you don't know what they are, a bit smaller, like this should be good. CSS. If you don't know what okay, just sneezed. Oh god. So then I want to center the radial effect to the center of this as well. I think it's like that. That's good enough. CSS. If you don't know what they are, so then in the last video I explained that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. As the name describes, CSS is more to style things and it doesn't actually change what the web page says. Bye.